Tired of users endlessly scrolling your Squarespace page? Let's harness the power of anchor links to guide them precisely where they need to go. First, identify the section on your Squarespace page you want to be an anchor point. This is the content that users will jump directly to. Click on the section to open its edit options. You'll see a gear icon. Click that to access the section's settings. Within the section settings, navigate to the Advanced tab. This is where we'll define our anchor. Locate the section ID field. This is where you'll assign a unique identifier to this section. Think of it as a name, but without spaces or special characters. For this example, let's call our anchor About Us. Type About Us into the section ID field and click Save. Now let's create the link that will take users to this About Us section. Go to the location on your page where you want the link to appear. This could be in your navigation menu, a text block, or a button. When you create a hyperlink, whether it's for text or a button, you'll be prompted to enter a URL instead of a full web address. We'll use a special format. To link to your anchor, type a ###, followed immediately by the exact section ID you created. So, for our About Us anchor, the link will be #aboutus. Now, whenever a visitor clicks this link, they'll be instantly transported to the section you designated as About Us, without any manual scrolling required. This method dramatically improves user experience on long pages, making your content more accessible and directing traffic to your most important areas. Master anchor links and transform your Squarespace site's navigation.